I can see it already.
What is that?
Oh, and it is and blocks. Oh my God. Help. What is it?
What is it?
The blocks that we...
Jenga Blocks!
I will open it.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh, dice எல்லாம் இருக்கு செல்லம்.
What? It comes with a dice?
Hmm?
I have to open it. I got the dice out.
Mhm.
The yeah. Oh my God. Yes, we're going to make a mess. Fall down.
Ouch.
I got it. Oh my God.
Tumbling game. It's Lennon's tumbling game.
Can you help me? It's so impossible to do this.
You can try. Okay, it improves, develops imagination, hands and eye coordination, social skills, thinking and reasoning. Oh, it's really a very nice toy for year 3+. Wow, it can be a nice family game too.
Hi friends, this was in the package. We have like 6 colors and we have red, orange, dark orange and green and blank and yellow. Each color there are 8 Jenga blocks. And this comes with a dice and it has these 6 colors in it. Hi friends, I got another play with me.
Yeah, it's time for us to play. Okay,
First step, it is to build up this whole thing in order.
Okay, சரி இது நம்ம arrange பண்ணுவோமா?
Yeah.
So,
first this and then yellow.
Yeah, how to arrange? First, standing line. 3 blocks.
3 blocks and 3 line, 3 blocks again. Why say blocks? Box.
Okay, mix and match பண்ணலாமா color? Mix and match. ரொம்ப கலர்ஃபுல்லா நாங்க எடுக்க போறோம் இது ஜாலியா.
Yeah. It's going to be janky.
Kavin.
I think you or me.
Kavin பண்ணுவா. No, plain blocks வைப்போம்.
Plain.
So, sleeping line.
Standing line. What the?
Horizontal and vertical. யாரா டான்ஸ் பண்றது?
Blank. Any blank?
Green சூப்பரா இருக்குல கவின். உனக்கு என்ன கலர் பிடிச்சிருக்கு? கவினோட ஃபேவரட் கலர் என்ன இதுல?
I wish I got blue because I want to do it primary color.
Blue ஆமால blue சூப்பரா இருக்கும்.
Excuse me, I need water. My water.
சரி கடகட நடக்குவோம். கவின் வந்து வாட்டர் பிரேக் எடுக்க போயிருக்கான். டாய். அடிச்சலாம். ஓகே. இதுல உனக்கு என்ன கலர் பிடிச்சிருக்கு?
எனக்கு வந்து green. Because green is the easiest to pick out.
அது என்ன ட்ரிக்?
I
Not
think
now.
the red one is blue.
Huh?
That way.
I play பண்ணாத. அடக்கி. Okay.
Oh.
ரெட் எல்லாம் கீழ தான் இருக்கு. நிறைய blanks இருக்கு மேல. இல்ல?
Excuse me.
சொல்லுங்க. இப்ப blocks எல்லாம் அடிக்கியாச்சு கவி.
Yes.
நம்ம ரூல்ஸ் சொல்லிடலாமா?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, you have to stack it up. Yeah, easy.
Yeah, we
Easy
stacked
one.
up the blocks.
Yeah, easy.
The sleeping line, standing line.
Sleeping
3
line.
blocks in each.
Yes.
Okay. Now the first player should roll the dice.
No, the youngest plays the dice.
Yeah, right. The youngest player rolls the dice first. So whatever the color comes,
That
have to
color
take
you have to
out-
pick. And when it falls down, that is a game over.
yeah, though he will be the loser. So when somebody
And you will die when you pick the wrong one.
yeah, right. Okay. So
It's
when
already
I roll,
falling down.
Mhm.
Look at pizza
So
tower.
if I roll, if I put the dice and it rolls to red, I need to poke out the red and I have to carefully place it in the top.
Yeah.
So when I keep
Not-
the block, if it
not
falls
standing.
down, then I will lose and the other player will be winning the game.
Not standing like the other one sleeping.
Yeah, right. We have to arrange it in the same order. Okay, shall we start the game now?
Yeah.
And the youngest player is going to roll the dice now.
Why is the dice over the Jenga? Yeah.
Some naughty dice.
Orange.
Huh? Orange. Okay.
Orange.
Orange.
I
Orange
got it.
kids.
Hold up. That's easy. Nah, I'm going with that. Okay, I'm going to take. What?
Yeah, that's easy.
Oh my
Okay. Yeah, I have to very carefully do that. And it is yellow.
Yep.
I'm going to try to take yellow.
Yeah,
and
oh,
this
that's
is
the
smooth
easy one.
Yeah, this is the easy one.
And someone cheekily hit the table and shake it off.
Who's that naughty? I know.
Me.
Podu.
Green.
Green.
Easy. What's that? That's not easy. Oh, no. Leave it.
Careful.
I did it.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Why?
There.
Wait.
No. Yes, no. Yeah.
இது ஈஸியாக ஸ்லைட் ஆகுது அதனால நான் இதை எடுக்கிறேன் வச்சுட்ட மேலே ஸ்மூத்தா
Oh, what's that? Red.
ரெட்
Instead.
ஸ்லைட் ஆகுதா
Oh. Now
Actually,
that is
Jenga
ketchup.
Blocksல வந்து பிகர் வெர்ஷன் அடல்ட்ஸ் வெர்ஷன் கூட இருக்கு அது
And then-
ரொம்பவே பெருசா
And
இருக்கு
there is. Look, looks like a ketchup and mustard.
சோ இது வந்து கிட்ஸ் வெர்ஷன் சோ இது ரொம்ப கலர்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் ஜெங்கா வந்து யூசுவலி plain கலர்ஸ்ல
Like-
இருக்கும்
Plain colors like that one.
சோ இது கலர்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கனால கிட்ஸ்
Like
will be
green.
more interested
Get that one.
green எடுக்கவாமா வெயிட்
Oh, that's the easiest one.
ஈஸியா வந்துருச்சு கவின் இது என்ன lettuce I'm adding a lettuce to it
Oh.
blank it's a wooden color
Wooden color is the easy one.
hey lucky you Kavin oh
What?
shaky
That is
இருக்கு.
color.
shaky இருக்கு Kavin
Oh my god. There's only two
மேல
balances.
வைக்கிறியா மேல வை
Oh!
green
I think we've lost two ones. Oh, that's smart. That's smart. That's smart. That's smart.
orange dark orange
Dark orange.
Kavin got it dark orange
Oh, yeah.
that's red yeah so if you take the wrong color again you lose
Where's the dark orange?
இது
Oh, dark.
இதோ இது கூட ரெண்டு இருக்கு try that no not the one oh yeah
Oh, that one.
It's still getting shaky. Hey, fight on.
Yes, who is that?
Green again.
Green.
I'm getting green. Oh my god.
Red.
Orange.
Light orange.
Light orange. Kavin,
I got dangerous. I'm just dangerous.
It's getting dangerous. Orange.
Oh my god, that was cool.
Light
Guys,
orange.
look. When I was waking up, I almost hit the table.
Ayyo, Kavin, help me.
I will do it.
Ani loss aachina needa. That's a smart move, Kavin. Nee kudu.
What the? No, I got to see. Blank.
Actually, இந்த blocks எல்லாம் ரொம்ப ஸ்மூத்தா ஈஸியா ஸ்லைட் ஆகுது. கார்னர்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஷார்ப்பா இல்ல. ஈவன் இந்த டைஸ்ல கூட கார்னர்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஷார்ப்பா இல்ல. It's very nice for kids.
And there's only one bad thing.
எல்லாத்துலயுமே வந்து நல்ல ஸ்மூத் கார்னர்ஸ் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. கிட்ஸ் ஆகாம இருக்கிறதுக்கு.
Okay.
போடுச்சலாம். Blank.
You do it. Don't take that one. What are you doing?
இது இருக்கு, இது ஈஸியா இருக்கு. Ow. Why it's happening to me? Wait. நீ எடுக்கறியா?
My hand was beeping one time.
So kidsக்கு வந்து கலர்ஸ் இதுல லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நல்ல கோஆர்டினேஷன் லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். பேலன்ஸ்.
I need yellow. Blank. Are you serious? I'm gonna test.
I.
There's no blank. No. I got another.
No.
Where is it?
Give me a shot.
Down for them.
இது இங்க ஒன்னு இருக்கு பாரு. அது ட்ரை பண்ணு. இந்த மூடன் one.
Nope. Don't.
Say okay. You roll the dice again.
Yellow.
Okay.
Okay, finally I got that. Okay. That was for them to think. I cannot pick anything.
Take it carefully. Take. How about this?
That one. I'm gonna take it.
No. That is not. That the single one is resting on that, so it's okay. Try. That's a good try. Try பண்ணிச்சு.
Hello.
You have to take it. மெல்லமா careful.
Yay, Kavin! That was so funny.
Super.